The image is complete. The machine is ready to go back in service. So we'll hit OK. We'll hit Alt F4 or Alt Operations and then exit. It'll reboot. We'll eject the disk. Send that home to the BIOS screen so we can safely power down. Time for the hard part. The hardest part is, I guess there's some more dust there. Look at that good shit. Anyway, the hardest part is always putting the case back on. I don't know why that is, but that's always the case. No pun intended. There we are. We're back in. These clips are engaged. Screw this guy down. And that's it. Alright, we're ready to put this back in service. There is the service tag. There were 5 characters back in the day. Everything is all set. I believe I know which ports are which here, so I'm all set. One thing I do want to do is just plug in the USB cable for the hub. It'll be easier afterwards, so we'll plug that in. Okay, keyboard's in, USB cable, Ethernet, mousey. No, it's supposed to go in. Mousey. Power. Sound. Is there enough slap? Yes. It goes right here. Telephonicus goes here, and then I just have to slide it in, and the monitor cable is right there. It's a little tight, so let me do that and then we'll fire it up. Okay, one last cable to connect right over here. Pop that in. Power monitor should come up in a moment, and with any luck it'll post and work. Yes sir. There he goes. This tube takes a little while to warm up. Alright, it's booting up. Everything's in. Apparently it likes the resolution and or refresh rate, so that's a damn good thing. So I don't have to change anything for that. Hub's lit up. Check the floppy drives are ready. And it's just loading its shit. It's just resolving the address now. It's still loading the rest. J Shoutcast, that's a sign. Sorry for the flickering. Polaris Saturnine. Okay. Winamp is loaded. Oh, I hear it already. Let's try the ding bell. Yeah, that worked. I hear Muzak. Pulling the house. Okay, got an email set to go to myself. Hit send. Message sent. This should blang first. There's the phone. There's the blang. All done! And it works! Friggin' rights he did! I knew it. I knew I could get it running again, no matter what. And I fucking did it. Anyway, I'm Esky. Thanks for watching. I opened it already. Sorry, Esky. And comment box is open. Hit like, hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.